So it's a constant goal of ours to try to have equipment here that helps our customers work smarter, do more in less time, spend more time with family. The Auric is a brand that helps us do that, and we welcome them here at Middleton Power Center. So the Snow Rhino is a track system with a adjustable snow blade on the front. A lot of our average snow removal companies that are looking for a niche piece of equipment are using this, and they're using it very successfully. It's been very, very popular. Its maneuverability, its ease of use. Our reviews have been very positive with customers where they're actually able to go in places they can't go with other equipment. So the Snowbull, being a track system, self-propelled walk-behind, is great for small, tight areas, small sidewalk areas, storefront areas, any place where traction, maneuverability really matters. Auric also has what they call a Trailblazer. It is a track machine, great material hauler. So they call it a Trailblazer for a reason. So if you need to transport material to the back side of the house, it could be pavers, it could be mulch, it could be lumber, it could be any project that you have at hand. This machine is capable of helping you move that material. 650-pound capacity, track system, will go upstairs. If something's in your way, go over it. One of our customers' needs are oftentimes brush removal, tall grasses, prairie grasses, maintaining anything like that. Auric has the Brush Rover. It's a very small, compact, ride-on machine that comes in 2- or 4-wheel drive. So if you're looking to remove brush, tall grasses, saplings from an area, maintain trails, anything of that capability on hillsides, slopes, the Brush Rover is a great solution. It'll help you maintain small saplings up to 2 inches. As you're approaching material, if you're able to tip it over, this thing will cut it. Auric also has a Garden Quake, a great rear tine tiller. It's a higher end tiller that would work commercially. It'll work for large garden plots. It's powerful enough to break hard ground, create good seed beds. It's a great alternative to a lot of box store grade tillers. This is a higher grade tiller with more ease of use and durability. The Auric Cyclone flail mower, they call it Cyclone for a reason. This stuff, as you actually enter debris, you'll see it flutter, woof, all the cutters underneath, the flail cutters, mulch it up, leaves the debris behind. The flail mower is capable of cutting all sorts of debris, up to 2-inch saplings, tall grasses, and it's a mulcher, so you're going to get a finer finish than you would with a rough cut mower. As a dealer, we try to select equipment that is properly built, strong, and you'll notice that we don't have a lot of entry-level manufacturers here for the reason that we are looking for a certain quality, durability, and dependability for our customer. And Auric definitely fit that with their build and their warranty programs and the service that they provide to us.